If your budget is $20 for Easter dinner, then you need to head to Dollar General. It's another day, another deal. Come on, let me show you how to feed up to 4 for Easter and have leftover dinner for the next day. Start by grabbing 2 Smithfield ham steaks. Select 2 stovetop stuffing mixes in the chicken flavor. There's an offer 2 for $4. Next, you'll get a packet of Clover Valley brown gravy mix. You'll also select a family size of Idahoan mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes are on sale for $2.50. Select 2 cans of your favorite vegetables by Clover Valley. They are on sale 2 for $1. Get a Pillsbury butter tasting biscuit, as well as a Pillsbury crescent roll. There's an offer 2 for $5, and we're clipping the Save One when you buy 2 coupon. Look for the box of Kraft mac and cheese. In the baking section, get a Clover Valley apple topping. Our cart looks just like this, and we are ready to check out. Don't forget to clip your digital 5 off 25 for this Saturday. The total of these items would have been $31.80, but after coupons and offers, because we're couponers, if you go today, your total is $24.80. But if you wait until tomorrow to use that 5 off 25, you're going to pay $19.80. I preheated the oven to 375. Next, I selected a baking sheet. I add the crescent rolls and spread them out by pressing with my fingers. I'll also press 2 of the crescent rolls together. I will press a little bit longer, and then I will add in a scoop of the apple topping to the center. Your corners over one another until you get about a rectangular or square shape. It prevents the sides from leaking. Place in the oven for around 12 minutes. They should be golden brown when they are done. Open your can of Pillsbury biscuits. You're going to spread them out in a dish. I'm using a glass dish. I will press them down and stretch so that way they cover the entire bottom of the dish. I cook the biscuits for around 17 minutes. Look for the largest pot that you have. We're going to make our potatoes. I'm using a tea kettle to boil some water. We need 4 cups of water for our potatoes. Dump in the mix of potatoes and start mixing the water and potatoes. It'll start to thicken quick. We'll set the potatoes aside. Now we're going to prepare our can of corn and green beans. I cannot use a regular hand can opener. I have to use this electric one. Push the top down to drain. Now we're going to make our brown gravy. Dump your gravy mix into a measuring cup. I'm using about a cup of water to pour over the top, and I'm going to add it into the microwave after I have mixed the gravy and water together. After our 1 minute is up, you can see that the gravy has thickened. We'll give it another stir. Next, we are going to prepare our ham steaks. I'm going to slice and dice. You may not use all of the ham. Any ham you're not going to use, set it aside for another meal. Taking our biscuit covered dish, we are going to add a layer of the mashed potatoes, covering the biscuits entirely. You may have leftover mashed potatoes. Save that and set it aside with your ham. Speaking of ham, spread it across your mashed potatoes, covering the entire layer. Select your can of green beans that you have drained, as well as the corn that's drained, and spread it across the top. You may have leftovers of these as well. I add my leftovers into a storage container to save for later and add it into the fridge. Take a box of your stovetop stuffing mix. In a bowl, you're going to dump the bag of stuffing mix. Boil a mug of water in the microwave and pour it over top of your stuffing mix. Stir it so that way it absorbs it, and now you can pour your stuffing mix over top of our ham, corn, mashed potatoes, and biscuit layer. Now she's ready to go in the oven. We have an extra box of stovetop stuffing mix, along with a box of Kraft mac and cheese, and our leftovers from our Easter dinner. Set these aside and make something for tomorrow. Careful, it's hot. After 15 minutes, our dinner is served. Get your plate ready. We're grabbing a big scoop of our Easter dinner. We didn't forget the gravy. Pour that over the top of your Easter dinner mix. And don't forget your apple pie we made earlier. Check it out. Dinner is served for less than $20. And we have dinner for tomorrow. Let me know if you try this and if you score.